Hello there, this is your online tutor, Mr. Lucky. Welcome to today's class. So basically today we're looking at matrices, paper 2 kind of questions, exam questions. And we have our first question there. We're given that A is equals to 2 to 0 and 2, and B is equals to 1 2 1 1, calculate AB. So we're supposed to multiply matrix A by matrix B. So when we multiply, so we're going to multiply. How are we going to multiply this? So we're going to say row by column, okay? Then row by the first row by the first column, the first row by the second column, then the second row by the first column, the second row by the second column. So we're going to multiply 2 multiplied by 1, then plus 2 multiplied by 1 as the first row, first column. Then we go to the first row, second column, 2 multiplied by 2, then 2 multiplied by 1. Then we go to the bottom side where we have the second row, first column, 0 multiplied by 1 plus 2 multiplied by 1. Then the second row, second column, 0 multiplied by 2 plus 2 multiplied by 1. Okay, so when we work out this, we're going to have 2, okay, 2, also 2 there, then 4 plus 2, then this will give us 0, then 2 multiplied by 1 we get 2, then 0 multiplied by 2 we get 0, then 2 plus 2 multiplied by 1 we get plus 2. So when we work out this, our final answer is just going to be 2. We're going to have 4, 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 6, 4 plus 2 is 6, then 0 plus 2 is 2, then 0 plus 2 is also 2. So basically this is our final answer, and this is how we're supposed to solve this particular question. So if you have any question, kindly let me know. I'll be able to assist you. Okay, question 2 says express this by 2 by 2 matrix by 2 by 1 matrix as a single matrix. So we're going to work out this by multiplying the first row by the first column, then the second row by this column. Okay, so we're going to have we work out this. When we work out this, we'll have 1 multiplied by negative 2 plus 0 multiplied by 5 as our upper part, then 0 multiplied by negative 2 plus 1 multiplied by 5. Okay, so when we work out this, what are we going to have? So we're going to have negative 2 plus 0. Okay, then this is going to give us 0 plus 1 multiplied by 5, we get 5. Okay, then our final answer, when we add up this, we're going to have negative 2 plus 5, okay, as our answer. Okay, then we move on to our next question. We're told to express this. Okay, we're told to express 5 3 negative 4 and 2 minus 2 open brackets 2 2 3 3 as a single matrix. So for us to multiply this, we'll work out with this. So we're going to multiply, since this is a scalar matrix, we'll multiply 2 by everything which is in the matrix. So we're going to have 2 multiplied by 2, 2 multiplied by 2, then 2 multiplied by 3, then 2 multiplied by 3 respectively. Then from there, when we work out this, we're going to have 4. 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. Then 2 multiplied by 2 as well is 4. Then on the bottom side, we have 6 and 6. So 2 multiplied by 3 is just 6. So we work out this. So we are going to subtract respectively. So this will be subtracted by this, corresponding to the row and the columns. So this will be subtracted by this, then this will be subtracted by this, then this will be subtracted by this, as we have learned. So 5 minus 4, then 3 minus 3 minus 4, I beg your pardon, then negative 4 minus negative 6, then 2 minus 6. So therefore our final answer, when we subtract 5 minus 4, we get 1, then 3 minus 4, we get negative 1, then negative 4 minus 6, we get negative 10, then 2 minus 6, we get negative 4 as our final answer. So basically this is how we are supposed to answer this particular question. So if you have got any question, any clarification, kindly let me know. I'll be able to assist you. Okay, then we look at our final question for today. So we are told to that matrix A is equals to 4 negative 6 0 and 3, and B is equals to negative 6 2 8 and 4. Find half of B plus A. So what are we going to in this particular case? So we're going to multiply matrix B by this scalar, which is half, okay, plus A, so as shown above. So we multiply this by this. Okay, so when we multiply half by this, we are going to have 3. So this 2 into 2 is 3, plus multiplied by 1, we get negative 3. So this is going to give us 3, then half multiplied by this, it's going to give us 1, because 1 and 2 into 2 is 1, multiplied by 1, 1. Then half multiplied by 8, we get 4. 2 into 8, we get 4, multiplied by 1, we get 4. Then 2 into 4, we get 2, multiplied by 1, we get 1. So this is how we get this. So from there, we're going to add corresponding to the elements which we have been given. So we're going to add negative 3 plus 4, okay, then 1 plus open bracket negative 6, okay, plus minus negative 6. Then on the bottom, we're going to have 4 plus 0, then 2 plus 5. So our final answer is going to be 4. Okay, when we add negative 3 plus 4, you get 1. Then when I add this, we're going to have, so this is going to be negative times positive, it's going to be negative. So we'll have our answer as negative 5. Sorry, not 5, but this is supposed to be negative 5. Okay, then this is going to be 5. Okay, so thank you very much. Okay, thank you very much for today. This is where I will end for today's class. So just remember to put the negative here. 1 minus 6 is negative 5, so there is a negative here. Okay, so we have a task which you are supposed to do here. It says so make sure you do this task, question 1 and also question 2. So I need the work by the end of today. Okay, thank you very much. So where you have questions, you let me know. So this has been your online tutor, Mr. Ilaki. Stay blessed.